Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss about a very new topic that is called logarithmic differentiation. In earlier we have discussed about implicit function and explicit function and its derivative, and today's discussion is logarithmic differentiation, how to use log and then find the derivative of this particular function, okay, and why logarithm is used, that is important. Before going to discuss about logarithmic definition, some basic formula I am going to discuss. These are what you see. Here is this log AB equal to what? Log A plus log B. That is very you got in school. And here this particular logarithm is called natural logarithm. It is called what? Natural logarithm. And its base is equal to what? Base is equal to what? E. We are not mentioning the base, but here base is what? E. So remember that whenever base is not given means base is what? E. Okay. Similarly, log A by B equal to what? Log A minus log B, and log A to the power m. Then there is you will find the logarithm of this particular expression, and this expression is expressed in terms of what? That is one particular term is power of other. Okay. So that is a to the power m, and then this particular m will multiply it with what? Log. That means ये जो ये जो particular m है, this particular m will be multiplied. Left में आके multiply हो जाएगा. And this is very interesting. E to the power log x is equal to what? X. Means if this is base e, this is also base e, then it will be what? Ultimately what happen? Actual definition is what? A to the power log x base a is equal to what? X. Understood? This is the actual definition. Here I am using e, means this is इसमें क्या है? Base e है, so there also be e. ये दोनों अगर same हो, okay, this particular term in power of e and this is the base e, दोनों अगर same हो, वहाँ में जो result होगा, that result will be is exactly equal to what? X. So this is about a few particular results regarding logarithm. Okay, we are going to use this particular things. Very important thing is that there is no such result log a plus b. Log a plus b वाला कोई result नहीं है. That means what happen if I say x to the power y plus y to the power x, okay, is something, suppose this is a capital A, then if I take logarithm on both sides, log a equal to what? Log x to the power y plus y to the power x, what will happen? It cannot be expanded. There is no such result. But if it is what happen, multiplication is there, suppose there is a multiplication, then you can use this particular result and you can express it as log x to the power y plus log y to the power x. So this is the basic idea about logarithm. See, we consider a function y equal to fx whole to the power gx. It's very interesting is that here fx and gx are function of x. For example, suppose that if I say y equal to x to the power sin x. Okay, here what happen? X is a function of x, sin x is a function of x. Suppose y equal to x to the power x. Here x is a function of x, x is a function of x. Suppose y equal to log x whole to the power x. Here x is a function of x, x is a function of log x is a function of x, and this is also a function of x. If that is one function is the power of other function, if such things happen, then in this case we are going to use what? Logarithmic what? Differentiation. We are going to use what? In this particular type of function we are using what? Logarithmic differentiation. Yes, you see, one function is power of other function. One function is power of other function. We got a particular result y equal to suppose x to the power n, then dy by dx is equal to d dx of what? X to the power n, and which is equal to n into x to the power what? N minus 1. And here you see n is not a function of x, it is a natural number or real number or rational number, okay, irrational number like that. So these are real number, okay, you can say real number. So here if it is not a real number, it is a function of x, okay. फंक्शन के ऊपर अगर फंक्शन पावर में रहेगा तो दिस टाइम हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव, वी विल टेक द logarithm first and then find the derivative of the function. So take an example first. Let us discuss this particular result. Okay, if we derivative will get first you take log लेने से क्या होगा, log y is equal to what, log of fx all to the power what, gx. Okay, and after taking log you will get this is log y is equal to what, ये gx क्या होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर पर्टिकुलर रिजल्ट है गिवन नंबर 3, gx इधर आएगा, लेफ्ट में आके मल्टीप्लाई होगा gx इंटू लॉग ऑफ fx. ओके, एंड देन यू डेरिवेटिव, इसके बाद उसको क्या करेंगे, देन प्रोसीड विथ व्हाट, डिफरेंशिएशन. ओके, सो लॉग y का डेरिवेटिव 1 by y divided by dx, देन इट इज सपोज u, if you suppose this is u and this is suppose b, so use the product rule and find the derivative of this particular function, and from here you can find finally dy by dx. Okay, take some examples, you will understand better. Okay, first a simple example, suppose that you are to find derivative of x to the power x, the simple one. Okay, derivative of what, x to the power x. To find the derivative of this, what we will do, we will take this is suppose y, let y equal to x to the power x. The first step is step number 1, you take log on both sides, then you will get log y is equal to, ये x इधर आके मल्टीप्लाई होगा x log x. Okay, after taking log, what is the second step, differentiating both sides. With respect to x, if you differentiate, what happen, you know ddx of, इसमें dx लेंगे, ddx of log y means first 1 by y, but y is other than x, ऐसा होगा ddx of log y. तो उसको अगर x मान लें, ddx of log x 1 by x, but y and x दोनों क्या है, अलग अलग है. So what we will do, again derivative of y with respect to x, this is called dy by dx, and this one is what, one, this is u and this is what b. So product rule use करें, x into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of x. Okay, from here you can see, you can get this is equal to 1 by y dy by dx is equal to ddx of log x is equal to what, ddx of log x is equal to what, 1 by x. So x into 1 by x plus log x, and ddx of x is equal to what, 1. So log x into 1 is equal to what, log x. Then you get this dy by dx is equal to, this y will be multiplied with this particular expression, y into x cancel, it is 1 plus what, log x, and if you replace y by x to the power x, final result is what, x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, this is by a particular simple example I have taken. Okay,